Right, let's bring back our graphic. I'm going to bring in the flowers that we made now. Copy. Bunny. Paste. And I wonder where it put them. That's where it put them. I want to move them over here for a minute, and I'm going to hide my hoop. It's getting in the way a touch. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be changing colour every 2 seconds. So I think what I want to do is make these all the same colour. The only reason they were separate colours is because they were slightly different sizes. Bearing in mind that whichever you put down first is what's going to stitch. For instance, this one is in the resequence bar the last one to stitch. So I'm going to put him down there for a second. Then the blue one is next. So I'm going to put him there. And the lemony one is first. So I'm going to put that there. And then we'll put that one there. And then we'll move this one up to here, we'll say. But that leaves rather a lot of holes. Or don't you think so? Because I do. So I'm going to do a Control D. I'm going to make another gingery one, which is going to stitch after that one. So now I want to move that one slightly up there, move this one up into there, move this one just up into there, and maybe do another Control D and bring him down here. Okay. Now I made one more flower. Do you remember how we did this? Circle in the middle, did the circles, distorted them. Well, that's how you can make a 6-petal flower. Window. No, that's rows 3. Did I actually open the 6-petal flower? Window. Maybe I didn't open it. Oh, that's the green grass. Okay. There he is, 6-petal flower. Goodness sakes, Maggie. There we go. Now, it's not very big. And it's the circle. Personally, I would prefer the circle to stitch last. So I'm going to move him down to the bottom. That way he helps cover up any little jumps. I'm going to make him a teeny bit bigger. I'll move him back into the circle again. That's it. So you'll hide any edges. Click on him, bring him in just a touch. Bring this one in just a touch. Bring this one in just a touch. And if we're going to reshape on that one, there you are. That's your shape points. Okay, tell that stop. Highlight the top one. Hold down Shift, highlight the bottom one. Tell it group. Copy. Go back to Bunny. And tell it paste. And there he is there. Okay. 1. Control D. Now these stitch in the order that you put them in. 2. Control D. 3. Now you're going to have jumps between these. Control D again. Excuse me. I've got a dry throat from talking too much. And I think one more. I'll just put that one up there. Move that one out a little bit. And then hide the image. Click into an empty spot. get rid of the B. Sorry, hit the B key, which gets rid of the digitizing maze. I really should mention what these things are that I do things. Now I want to change these to the same color as these, so you haven't got millions of color changes. And to do that, I'm going to click on the blue one, and I need to go into digitizer mode so you can see. Okay, ungroup, hold down shift, come down as far as there, and I'm going to make that pale apricot-y colour. Is that the same shade? Yes. And then make that one the... Oh, is that the same as the other one? Yes. Okay, tell that one ungroup. Make that pale. That the dark. Oh, it wasn't that one. Begonia. Group these. Group. Thank you. Group the next lot. Edit. Group. Begonia. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now they're all peach and begonia. So let's take a look at them. I think that's a bit better. Now I'm going to go to colours, and I'm going to move this up under the green, and then I'm going to move that down. Okay, go down. Thank you. Go down. Go down. Go down. Oh, and all of a sudden I don't have an extra change of colour. That's my rabbit, and that's my lettering. Now, in between here and here, I've got to come up with travel lines, otherwise I'm going to have jumps. I don't like jumps, as you know. So I've got to insert a travel line to hide and prevent any jumps, so that we can link these up with the rest of our greens. In fact, I've got the wrong colour green chosen. It's got to be 1998 or 1988. That's it. And I've only got one green. So I'll do that in the next video. And this was supposed to be a short, quick design.